Food is one of the most important resources for human life, but is considered useless once it gets wasted or thrown away. This wasted food has, however, lost its monetary value, but the nutritional value of that wasted food is still intact. In India, every year we waste one third of whatever we produce, which amounts to 67 million tons and values 1 lakh crore. When this food waste rots in landfills, methane gas is produced, which is 30 times more potent than carbon dioxide. Food waste accounts for 10% of all greenhouse emissions, and when we compare it with other sources, we find out that it is almost 90% of greenhouse emissions generated by all the vehicles and 6 times the greenhouse emissions by all the airplanes of the world. But, when we look at nature, we find out that nothing in nature goes to waste, and whenever something starts to rot, then insects appear and start consuming it. Taking inspiration from this exemplary power of nature, we started insect farming for food waste management, and we selected black soldier fly larvae for this job. Let us show how we do it. Discarded food waste is collected, segregated and crushed into smaller particle sizes, suitable for insects to consume efficiently. In our lab, we produce millions of adult black soldier fly every day, mimics the natural environmental conditions, in which the fly mate, lays 500 to 1000 eggs in one go, and dies the very next day of laying eggs. Then those billions of eggs are collected and hatched into baby larvae called neonates. This box of just 50 gram weight has around 45 lakh neonates, which will consume 1,300 kilograms of food waste, and will become 400 kilograms of larvae in just the next 12 days. Just look at the incredible growth and power of insects. Now, for the next 5 days, neonates are fed with good food in our nursery, for their maximum survival, and when they reach 10 mg weight, then they are transferred to bigger trays with food waste, where for the next 7 days those small larvae grow big by consuming all the food waste. Then, larvae and insect poop called frass are separated mechanically, and larvae and frass are harvested. These larvae are then dried and processed into protein, oil, and chitin. Protein and oil will be used as feed in aquaculture and poultry industry. Chitin, which is the outer layer of larvae, can be sold to the pharmaceutical industry or can be made chitosan, which can be used in pharmaceutical industry. The insect frass will be used as organic fertilizer for plants. In this way, the wasted food is recycled again in the food cycle in just 7 days with the help of insects, and nothing goes to waste. Why we choose black soldier fly out of all other insects? The life cycle from egg to larvae to pupae to fly is small and gets completed in just 40 days. Black soldier fly lays around 800 to 1500 egg in one go, which means large-scale production can be done. Larvae are ectothermic in nature, which means they do not maintain their body temperature, so they use their energy from feed only to grow, making them more efficient into bioconversion of feed to insects biomass. For producing the same amount of protein, insects utilize far less water, land, and feed as compared to other livestock. They are packed with nutrition and can have up to 50% protein, 30% fat, 2% calcium and 8% chitin. Black soldier fly farming can be done vertically in trays, hence high density waste management, and farming can be done in very small space. We can manage municipal kitchen waste, restaurant waste, APMC waste, food processing waste, slaughterhouse waste and human manure using black soldier fly technology.